So, good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Please stand for the prayer. Handayan, please lead. As we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. Before you sleep, please keep up trash, under your table or under your chairs. And please arrange it according to arrange your seats. So, may I ask if is anyone absent today? Yeah, good. Now, let's proceed. So, before we start our discussion, let's warm up your minds first with a short activity. Now, as you see, there are three situations now. I want you to read it first. Can we read
If one apple costs 10 pesos, how much do 5 apples cost?
next?
If a car travels 100 kilometers in 2 hours, how long will it take to travel the same distance if the speed is doubled? If it takes 4 workers 6 days to finish a task, how many days will it take 8 workers?
Now, what I want you to do is to think what happens when one quantity when the other quantity. Okay? So, now let's think about it. What happens when one thing increases? Does the other increases too? And what about when one thing and the other decreases? So, ang nausap mo ito sa isa, akwa or bubuka? Anyone has any idea? Yes, Moses? Very good. How about you, guys? You have any idea? Very good. So how about you, Vishona? Exactly. Now, you can see that in some cases, when one thing increases, the other increases too. But in some cases, when one thing increases, the other increases. So, close relationship is what we call the direct and inverse correlation. So, our topic for today is all about the direct and inverse correlation. So, at the end of the lesson, the student must be able to please read.
What are the distinguish between direct and indirect correlation? Solve problems and represent relationships between quantities through correct or random equations involving direct and inverse correlation. Show how organization of how direct and inverse correlation apply to real life situations.
Okay, now, so to proceed, can someone give me examples of when increasing one thing also increases another? Yes, Nico? Okay, very good. How about you, Maratas? Do you have any examples? Very good. Now, how about when increasing one thing but makes the other increases? Can someone give me some examples of it? Yes, Emil? Very good. How same time. So, constant lang ihapon siya. So, given the formula, y equals k multiplied by x, where k is what we call the constant of variation. Now, we have here an example. Please read the example. Andayan.
Y equals 8 when x equals 4. Find y when x equals 10. If y varies, then it has x.
So, first, kung sa may itong unang kanta? Anyone? Okay. Now, first, we will find the value of the constant of variation, which is denoted as k. Now, we have here given now we use the equation. Okay, so now to find the constant of variation, we have here using the equation, gamit ang substitution. So, unsay value sa atong y? 8. How about atong x? 4. So, ibalik nato si 4. Dito sa side 8. Which is magamit na sa operation nga division. Now, the value of our k is 2. Now, let's find y when x equals to 10.
inverse variation. When a quantity increases, the other decreases, so that the product is constant. So the formula is y.
Okay, very good. So, kani si Jack, kung ang direct variation, increasing iyang agi, then ang inverse variation is binalik. So, binalik si Jack. Kung ang isa ka quantity mo increase, then ang isa naman is mo decrease. Now, here's an example. Please read. Busis.
Example. Y equals 6 when x equals 3. Find y when x equals 9. If y varies inversely as x.
Okay, now let's solve this example. Same process lang yung consider sa direct variation yan. Class. So, given so, atong value sa y is 6, then ang atong value sa x is 3. Now, kung sa direct variation, ang atong gigamit sa equation is y equals to a multiplied by x. How about sa inverse variation?
Y equals a divided by x.
Okay, very good. Y equals to a over x now. Substitute terms. Our y is 6. While ang itong point ang pa is si 8. Then, okay, good. Now, how do we solve this one? Now, what is the value of our k?
18.
8 yes, Rosa. Very good. Now, next we will find the value of
Yes, ma'am.
Sure mo?
No.
Asa man dapit na ro?
P. Imbes X. P na.
So, tani.
Yes.
Instead of X,
P.
we use
P.
How about sa number P? Asa man dapit na ro? So we use equation here. C equals to
A.
A,
N.
okay. How about sa number 4?
Correct.
Okay, good.
Wow.
How about sa number 5? Correct. Very good class. So, sagot yun, nakasagot na yun, no? Now, sa direct variation, both quantities move in the same direction. While in inverse variation, they move in the opposite direction. So, let's sum up. So, in this direct variation, ratios y over x remains constant. While in inverse variation, the product of x and y remains constant. So, these patterns, no, magamit yun di sa nato. Kaya, nakatabang din siya nga, i-describe na to kung sa mga changes sa grid line. Diba? Sakto ba, ulit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, since nakasagot naman, we'll have our short quiz. Please prepare 1/2 size of paper,
One half, ma.
then answer these. Only for 5 minutes each type of test. Okay, next. Time's up. Please pass your papers forward in a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, napatay nakatinan ng class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, please prepare for our please study in advance, no? Solving real life problems related to variation. So, please stand for our closing prayer. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Goodbye, class.
Yes.